We started our day in Namche Bazaar, a hustling Sherpa town at 3,340 meters. It's the heart of Khumbu region and a perfect place to acclimate. Namche Bazaar is full of tea houses, bakeries, and trekking shops. If you forgot any gear, Namche has you covered. They even have a showroom for famous brands like North Face and Columbia. We decided to buy a down jacket to replace ours. We went to Sherpa Gear. It's a local company. The jacket we got kept us very warm. After breakfast, we set out for our acclimatization hike. Today's destination is the legendary Everest View Hotel, located at 3,880 meters. The hike going to be uphill, but absolutely worth it. Santos wanted re-photography to revisit his 30 years ago trip. According to him, Namche has grown a lot. Usual trekkers' route is Everest View Hotel first and then the Everest National Park. But our team decided to go to Everest National Park first. Sagarmatha National Park is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It's a home to biodiversity, including rare wildlife like snow leopard and Himalayan monarch. But we still have major climbing to do. Unwillingly, we started the uphill trek. The trail is rough with steep climbs, but views of Everest, Lhotse, and Amadablan from the top supposed to be unforgettable. The trail here felt magical with ancient forest, prayer wheels, and stupas around every corner. We came across Sagarmatha Next, an innovative experience center dedicated to sustainable tourism and waste management in Khumbu region. Their mission is to promote sustainable tourism by transferring waste into art and design. It was getting late to reach to the Everest View Hotel per trekker's suggestion, as after 2 p.m. cloud will start covering mountains.
860!
But the view all along the hike had been so beautiful, we took our time to enjoy as we climbed up. there were several beautiful places that you just want to sit there. This is Diamond, our guide, and he wanted to sing. And then we made it. Did you know this is one of the highest altitude hotels in the world? People often fly in just for tea with view. The mountains were peeking in and out of the clouds. But just sitting there and drinking tea felt amazing and accomplished. The descending was harder. It required as much technique as climbing up. I noticed downhill is a test of control rather than strength. These ladies along the way made the descent easier. They were carrying 50 pounds of potatoes in their container and were headed to the market. This region is famous for potatoes farming. We wrapped up our day with pizza at famous pizza bakery of Namche Bazaar. Pizza was delicious with nak cheese. Nak is the female yak. Day 3 been about acclimatizing, climbing, and feeling the view of Himalayas. Tomorrow we head into even higher mountains. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss out on our next part of our Everest adventure. Thanks for trekking with me. See you on next one.